Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best car wash soaps on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Meguiar's Gold Class Car Washington. One of the most popular products on the market, the Gold Class Car Wash Shampoo and Conditioner from Meguiar's is an amazing choice. Using this product, there's a good chance your car's radiant color and shine will be restored to its former glory. This product will clean and condition the paintwork in one easy step. It gently washes off all road grime and dirt, without leaving it unprotected. Its pH-balanced formula will leave a glossy finish and keep your wax coating in place, unlike harsher car shampoos or detergents on the market which can strip the paint of wax and polish. This rich foam of the shampoo and conditioner makes it ideal to use in a foam cannon or snow cannon, at a ratio mix of 5:1. It will deliver a deep clean, much better than many other products designed for these machines which often only pre-wash your car. Of course, Meguiar's Car Wash Shampoo is just as effective in a traditional bucket and soap wash as well. Simply add 1 ounce, or 4 capfuls, of the solution to a gallon of water, and you'll be good to go. Using the 2-bucket method, where you use 1 bucket with the wash solution and the second bucket for plain water, is recommended by the manufacturer as best practice. Besides, this foamy soap smells really good. Also, given the size, this product is likely to last you for regular washes over the course of several months. Number 2. Our second best pick is Chemical Guy's Maxi-Suds 2 Super Suds Car Wash Soap and Shampoo. With a quality, pH-balanced washing formula that easily removes dirt and debris, the Maxi-Suds 2 Car Wash Soap and Shampoo from the Chemical Guys will keep your vehicle looking sleek. Its concentrated ingredients include enriching foaming action agents to help remove some of the heaviest dirt a car could be dealt. A particular great ingredient included in the formula is a water softener, added to minimize water spots and streaking after rinsing. All you need to make up a solution is as little as 1 ounce of the concentrated soap in a gallon of cool water, or use 1 to 3 ounces in a foam cannon, which will yield plenty of slick wash suds for great cleaning power. Clean your ride with Maxi-Suds 2 at any time in just about any weather you could imagine, even in direct sunlight, for a spot-free finish. Now, who wouldn't appreciate that? However, if you're doing this on a hot sunny day, remember to rinse the suds off quickly once you're done washing, before they dry on the paint. This shampoo produces a generous amount of suds which will prevent scratching and leave your car looking all clean, shiny and spot-free. It works well on the whole of your car, not just the paint job. Using this product, all surfaces, from metal, glass, rubber or vinyl, will be spotlessly clean. Number 3. Our third best pick is Adam's Car Wash Shampoo, pH-neutral soap formula. Safe for use on all vehicle surfaces, protecting paint, rubber, and even the plastic of your car, this option from Adam's Polishes is a top-grade option. The product lives up to its hype, with many satisfied customers singing its praises. Adam's Car Wash Shampoo has all the benefits of a quality, pH-neutral formula, including a mix of advanced polymers and cleaners to make washing both safe and effective. Just like our other favorite soaps on this list, you'll notice a lot of suds and a rich foam while using this product. The shampoo's thick lather is described as snow-like when used in a foam gun, and the ingredients will remove the dirt while lubricating your car's surface at the same time to keep it protected. We particularly appreciate that the quality formula is gentle enough not to dry out any plastic components, as well as safe enough to use on other materials such as rubber, vinyl, and glass. It cleans thoroughly, but just thoroughly enough without overdoing it, meaning it won't remove the wax coating on your paintwork. Dedicated to producing a lasting shine and finish, use it on a weekly basis to keep your car glistening. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Optimum No Rinse Wash and Shine. If you want to do your bit for the environment and save water, or you live in an area where water restrictions are regularly in place, this product could very well be the savior you've been looking for. In extreme situations, regular car washing is sometimes even prohibited, but you might still be able to use the Optimum No Rinse Wash and Shine in these circumstances. Using this product requires so much less water than a normal wash, which is great because all you need is 1 bucket of water for the whole process. That's right, just 1 bucket of water from start to finish. This soap will clean your vehicle and protect the paintwork, while also protecting the environment at the same time. The manufacturer recommends adding 1 ounce of Optimum No Rinse Wash and Shine to a bucket containing 2 gallons of water. Immerse a towel into the solution. They advise using a plush microfiber towel, and then wash the vehicle, 1 area at a time. Drying the area using a clean cloth before moving on to the next part is especially important. As the name implies, you don't need to rinse the product off your car after cleaning, all of which is beneficial because it saves you on a ton of time, effort and, of course, water. The ingredients include polymers which prevent abrasion during washing by bonding to the paintwork, giving better lubrication and protection than a conventional wash. After you're done cleaning, you'll be left with a gleaming finish on your paintwork, and the used water can be invested in watering your yard. Optimum No Rinse Wash and Shine is more versatile when it comes to where you choose to clean your car, too. As there is little excess water other than that used for cleaning, you can even do all that washing inside a garage, or anywhere else you otherwise couldn't for that matter. Use it on your RV or camper van, without the need for gallons of water. Just remember to complete 1 section at a time. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Griot's Garage Car Wash, Brilliant Finish. Another great product, the Griot's Garage Brilliant Finish Car Wash will give you that ultimate shine you're craving. It has premium lubricating properties to wash thoroughly, but safely. The pH-balanced formula gently removes the grime off, leaving behind a glossy shine with no streaks. It doesn't remove sealants or waxes in the process, unlike when you compare them to some of the other average, lower-grade products on the market. If we were to sum this product up in 1 sentence, we would say it lives up to its name, containing special brighteners that really do leave a brilliant finish after every wash. As it uses only 1 ounce of formula per gallon of water, this purchase should keep your car in top condition for several months on end before you have to purchase another. Brilliant Finish can also be used with a foam gun or cannon. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.